This question is a little bit special that they just tell us there is a circle pass through these 3 points. However, they don't give any radius, don't give any hints about center. If we roughly draw the graph, the circle should be approximately like this. 1 and 2 here is passed through this point, and then it's also passed through 3, 2 here, and also pass through 4, -3, so maybe here. And there is no method for us to find out the center unless this is perpendicular. But obviously it is not, because this line is horizontal while this line is not vertical. So our method is to let the format of the equation of circle. We just simply let the equation of circle x squared plus y squared plus I don't know how many times of x, don't know how many times of y, and don't know what is the constant, equal to 0. Any point lie on a curve, which means that it's fulfilled the corresponding equation here. So we can substitute this point into this equation, also this 2 points. Therefore, we will create 3 equations in order to find out 3 unknowns. So we are going to write down for 1, 2, and then another point is 3, 2, and also 4, -3. Substitute one by one, we will have 3 equations. X replaced by 1, y replaced by 2, and then d times 1 plus e times 2 plus f equal to 0. If we just focus in the first line, we have 5 minus d plus 2e plus f equal to 0. Then we look at the second line. We replace x by 3, replace y by 2. Similar reason, we simplify it, and then right here we get 13. Also the last one. After we simplify, then we are ready to solve this simultaneous equation. To solve these 2 equations, then we are going to subtract them, and we find that the first equation and the second equation are the most similar, because not only one term constant are the same, also 2e here are the same. Therefore, if we use equation 2 subtract equation 1, then we can get an equation with d be the only unknown. You may use another combination of equations, for example, equation 3 minus equation 1, but it's just more troublesome. You can still get the correct answer. So in this case, 13 minus 5, and then we have positive 3d minus negative d. 2e minus 2e becomes 0, disappeared. F minus f becomes 0, disappeared. So right hand side we have 0 minus 0. And then we simplify our calculation, we find 8 plus 4d is equal to 0. d is equal to -2. Once we know the value of d, then we can substitute it to the rest of the equation. Now only 2 unknown is left. Maybe I just focus on equation 1 and equation 3. The equation becomes 5 minus -2 plus 2e plus f equal to 0. This is the first one. And the third one will become 25 plus 4 times -2 minus 3e plus f equal to 0. Simplify both equations, we have 7 plus 2e plus f equal to 0. We also have, and then we have 17 minus 3e plus f equal to 0. Then just like what we did before, we just subtract them, use the black one to subtract the blue one. 7 minus 17 plus 2e minus -2 3e. F minus f becomes 0. So e is equal to 2. Finally, just choose any one of the equation. Since 7 plus 2e plus f is equal to 0, so 7 plus 2 times 2 plus f equal to 0. F is equal to -11. Therefore, we have all the coefficients in this general form of equation of circle. Equation of circle is x squared plus y squared, and then d negative 2x plus 2y, and then minus 11 equal to 0. That's the general form. In part B, to show whether this point lie on the circle, that means is this combination of xy fulfill this requirement. We are going to consider when x equal to negative 2, y equal to negative 3, we have to check is this item equal to 0. So don't write down equation immediately. You have to separate this part and then compare with this part finally. So LHS is equal to something square plus something square minus 2 something plus 2 something, and then minus 11. Then we find the answer is 0, which is equal to right hand side. It's because left hand side equal to right hand side, that means it's fulfilled the equation requirement. That's why this point lie on the circle. This is a little bit ad hoc problem that we totally focus on the format of the equation. Then we just substitute 3 results and then to solve the coefficients.